Yeah.
Hey everyone, what's going on? So today we're in Animal Company and we found the bunker for
Found the
about like
secret bunker.
the secret bunker. I'm here with my friend Jonathan, and make sure to like this video, subscribe, and then comment below if you guys already found it. Alright, we gotta Jonathan, we gotta find the whole thing.
Yeah,
like-
wait, what is that? Oh, the door?
Oh, that
Watch out, Ari, we gotta be careful. Go on this red one.
yeah.
Right here.
What is that sound? I'm not gonna lie.
I think it might be the sewer one.
Keep going now, but be careful. Oh, I got it. Yo, I can't believe we found the bunker.
I know.
Oh shoot! Okay. I'm kind of safe. I think you have to be careful with like this. Alright. What is that sound? Hear it.
They're like talking.
Yeah.
Like,
Do you guys hear that? Oh, what's the other one?
come back down.
It's the same. It's the same.
Where you at?
Alright. Let's see. What? I feel like there's a new
Oh
one.
crap.
You fall all the way down. You fall all the way down.
Yeah, because there's no stuff. Like, there's no.
Oh, right. That's where just those two went. Guys, I feel like there's a new monster, guys. He said that there's supposed to be a lava.
Wait for me.
Hurry. Alright, come on.
It's getting louder.
Oh, shoot. I think we found it. What is this place?
It's like a computer.
It's like, oh, I think we have to go all the way. Hold on, we gotta find something. We have to, wait, hold on. There's like something, right? Alright, come on. Be careful. Right here. I found it.
What?
Right here. Oh, shoot.
I know where the noise is gone.
Alright, okay. It's quiet. What the heck? Yo, what is that? Alright, come on. What happened?
Nothing.
Alright. Come on. Yo. Wait, what the? Oh, shoot!
Oh crap.
All the way down! Oh, Mamma Mia! Whoa! Yo!
What in the?
I knew it was gonna be a lava update!
This is like a new world.
Probably.
Oh crap.
Make sure they're not falling into lava. Oh, crap.
I fell.
Worry.
Come on, back here. Just come down. Cause look, it leads to the ground. Oh, how will we get out?
Oh, no. Oh, right here. Ah! Huh. Got it. Yo, what are those things? Those are like rocks? Yes, nice. We gotta make. Oh, right here. Follow me. Oh, shoot! The wall is right. I think we have to do a parkour again. Come on, follow me. Right. Hold on. Get go first. We got to make it to the exit. Made it. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot, guys! I'm about to die. It's like the, yo, it's a new monster. Yo, you good? Yo, try to make it to me. Where's those guys? Oh shoot, this one. Yo, are you there? Copy, are you there? Yo, Jonathan, where are you? Talk to your watch. Oh. Yo, I'm gonna try and make it to the exit. Talk to your watch. Yo, I'm close to the exit. Bro, I'm just in trouble. Do you see the portal thing? Yeah. Yeah, we have to make it there. Yeah. Oh shoot. I think I'm gonna do it. I can't. I'm stuck by these dumb fish. I'm making it. I'm okay. Whoa. Go that way. I think I made it back. Get to the portal quick! And you'll spawn back. I'm down here. I'm pointing the flashlight. Yo, hold on, go to the map. Yo, I think we found the bunker.
Yeah, but we have to go more into it. Cause the portal, there was something else, like there was more crates.
Okay, so what we're gonna do? We need here. I have an idea. How about should I just sell my hoverboard?
Nah.
Then who's gonna use it?
Fine, just sell it.
Alright. Yeah, guys, I have a hoverboard and I think I have to sell it.
How much does it cost?
I don't know, but you ready? 3.
Bye-bye, hoverboard.
Rest in peace. I love you. Oh no! Imagine we get like 1,000. Let's see.
Nah, imagine if you get 100. That's a scam.
Damn. Where's my? All right, come on. All right. This time we're gonna go mining and get some. We have to get some. All right, hold on. Let me buy myself a backpack. Oh my god, I cannot see this flashlight. Hold on, what is this? Small backpack. 5. All right. You ready? Ready to go back to the mines? All right. Come on. I have 2 gems, but we need more gems so that we can, so that we can get more and we can unlock everything. All right, this time we're gonna go mine so that we can get some stuff.
Hold on, I'll be right back.
Be right back.
Yeah, just stay here.
All right. Well, I guess we wait. Where's it? What the? Or something? Yo, hello? What the? Who are you, boys? Oh. Why? Bro, get out of our code. Bro, get out of our code right now, bro. Well, I guess I'm taking this scene too. Thank you. Yo, someone's here.
That is generally worthless to us. It does nothing. Hey, yeah, no, that's generally worthless to us. That's like, it's like taking a penny from a homeless man. You won't do anything.
Well, I'll give you guys back if you give me my flashlight back. Jojo, watch out! Yo, someone got a gun. Someone got a gun. Oh my god. Yo, someone's in our code. I'm still in the lobby, bro. And someone's in our code. Someone's in our code. Give me my stuff back. That's what I'm telling you right now. Bro, get out of our code, bro.
Bro, Leo, what are they doing?
Bro, leave, bro.
Bro, give us our flashlights.
Bro, give it us back. Alright, bet.
Dude, these are like the easiest things to get. You could just like kill a bunch of monsters and get them from
Did we
crates.
ask? Did we ask? No. Did we ask for the tip? Bro, you're like 5 years old. You're like 5 years old, bro.
Yeah, bro, you should leave this code.
Make me. What are you gonna do? Spam emojis? What are you gonna do? Spam emojis?
Yeah, they don't have
What are you gonna do,
emojis.
spam
Get out of our code
emojis?
right now, boy.
Like, just look at you, bro.
Look at you, bro.
I'm laughing.
Bro, you're not even
that's
just toasty. Get out of our code.
nice. Did we? Bro, what? That made no sense.
What is bro talking about?
Look at you stuttering. You don't even know what you're saying.
Yeah. Had that thing there blind me.
Yo, bro, this whole glove is actually trash. It does nothing. Oh, crap. What the heck? Yeah, I know it's safe zone. Yo, Leo, you still there?
Yeah.
But this whole glove is trash.
That was good because you can send them flying. Bro, leave our code, you guys game. Yeah, you have nothing to say. Exactly, boys. Exactly, little boys. Little mini games, kids. Little mini games, kids.
Bro, I bet you guys would have said this in real life, though.
True. I could definitely beat those 5 years old up.
Autistic. Yeah.
I wonder what's bro saying, cause he thinks that we would leave the code. He's probably saying that. What? What did you say? Are you guys gonna give us a flashlight back? Okay, can you give us back, please?
Track.
Why'd you guys even take our stuff in the beginning?
Yeah, you don't. You guys. Oh, what's he saying? Oh, he's saying that he's gonna get our stuff back. That's what he says, right? Okay, give us our flashlight back. I wonder what his bro's saying. Here, let me hear what they're saying.
Anyways, this stuff is pretty nice that you guys gave us. So
Yeah, man. You're the nicest guys. Can we just say that?
I know,
All
yeah.
jokes aside.
for real. So it's charity, bro. It's charity.
Wait. Tell your friend to unblock us. We'll give you both of the flashlights back to the person who wins the duel
Alright,
and
bet.
killing each other.
Wait, what
Leo,
they say?
unblock him.
Alright.
He said unblock
If-
him.
Bro said, "All right, bet," and then what did he say? Like,
Alright, I unblock
Alright.
y'all.
Fight to the death for one flashlight.
Bet.
Bet.
All right.
Well, let me get my crowbar.
Alright.
Yeah. All right.
Here, hold on. Here, we'll be nice.
Can we
Hold
at
on.
least get a weapon, bro?
Hold on. Look, we'll be nice to you.
Hey, get out safe zone.
If we will help you to get some more money, can you guys, if you guys can give us our flashlight back?
we have 100K, bro. Shut up.
Bro, why
Alright,
am I in? Oh,
Just get out safe zone
I
so we can
joined
hurry
my
up and fight. Get
public
out
fan
safe zone so we
code.
can hurry up and fight.
True.
Oh, I joined my public fan code.
Bro, this
Okay,
was
listen,
my
my
100
public-
followers.
We don't need any more fights. We're already
To
making
my
two
100
people fight over a
followers.
flashlight.
My
Bro, you
We're
guys
not
bad,
as
getting
a
more
compliment, right? You guys
Right,
as a
uh,
compliment.
you know,
My bad.
yes,
That is not a
You're just
compliment.
over
I'll
it.
take this so it's fair. Green.
Nah, bro
Green,
complimented
I'm
me.
kind of the more
Yeah,
reasonable
you're
one. Take a
welcome,
fist,
I guess.
so it's fair. Unless you're willing
Bro,
to get
what the-
punched out of the map.
Wait, so
Where
how
the
many
fuck am I
followers do you
stuck?
have, buddy? How many followers
I'll
do
get
you
it.
have,
Yeah,
buddy?
yeah, you get it. I'll get 2 cross. I'll get 2.
Like almost 25.
Bro, are we gonna hurry up and fight?
Almost 25 followers.
My YouTube is Goofy Cowboy. If-
Yo, guys, are we
what?
gonna hurry
This
up
kid
and fight?
said, "Oh, I joined my wrong fan code" when he has almost 25 subscribers, bro.
Bro, I don't know. I just made this my fan code one day, and I saw people joining it.
Yo, are you guys gonna hurry up and fight?
I don't know. Fuck you.
What do you mean we're fighting? It's you two that
Yeah,
are gonna
you guys are fighting. You.
Oh my
come on,
god, this controller is so annoying.
Leo, just come on.
It's like a
Yo.
fucking bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, you two, bro.
Alright.
Alright.
Riley, we don't-
Where'd he go?
Okay, that.
To the moon.
Hang on.
Come here,
I
boy.
did say.
Why is this?
Oh my god!
Dang.
Well, he got sent to the moon.
This is fun. Wait, no, he's not dead yet.
I would
He's
look
still
up.
coming back.
I will look up.
I'm
He's
back.
right there.
Hey, Leo, give me my Hulk one because I bought one.
Hey, you guys didn't kill each other yet.
Leo, give me one Hulk glove.
Kid.
Ah!
Bro, give me one Hulk glove.
dang it.
Alright,
Leo, give me
Yeah.
one Hulk glove.
I did.
Riley, we should continuously join this code. It seems like people that are willing to do anything for a big flashlight.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Ow, wait, ow.
Someone new joined.
Yo, watch out! He has
Hey,
a
we're
bomb.
gonna fight to the death for big flashlights.
This is for later.
Leo, let's just
Wait,
hurry up and
who's
leave
that?
this code. We
Yeah.
could just earn all the stuff back. Cause,
Yeah, true.
alright,
There
Alright,
we
come
go. Now they listen. to
bye,
my
guys.
advice. It's pretty easy.
see.
Leave the codes like good boys.
The moral of the story
Boy,
here, guys,
you're a
is
good boy.
Yeah,
don't fight your
good
friends.
Boy,
Yeah,
I'm
don't
not
do
siding
that.
with you. I said
Good
that
boy.
first.
Keep on talking. Good boy. That's what I like to see.
Oh
Yeah.
no, he
Good
can't
boy.
talk.
Someone
Good
thinks they're
boy,
Sigma.
like what?
Boy.
Whoever,
There it is. Yeah.
whoever's black, it's a good boy. Oh, you're black.
Yo,
Good boy.
What?
yo, good boy.
That's my skin color. Like, what? That's gotta be some type of racism right there.
Yeah, nice pistol, man, bro.
Thank you for the.
You need
Run,
the ammo
run.
for that.
Yo, run, watch.
Yeah, you're not gonna kill him. Yeah, no, this is gonna be mine. Thank you. You guys didn't kill each other, by the way. So,
We could just buy them. We have enough.
Yeah, true. How
All right,
stupid?
see ya.
How
If
stupid,
you're gonna
bro?
leave. Are you gonna leave, little kid? Bye. See ya. $50,000 right now.
True. We got $50,000.
Screws. We got 50,000 screws. Let me get this gun.
Yeah.
Yo,
We
why
should
don't-
sell them.
why
We should
don't
sell
me
them.
and
We
you
should
fight?
sell them.
Why don't me and him fight? Come on.
Yo, Joe, let's sell them.
Question: could you like look in that gun real quick? Like, General, I'm not even joking.
Come on.
Good
Come on,
boy.
safe zone. Come out safe zone. No bull.
Dude,
Yo,
that
get-
explosion
yo,
hit him.
Yo, get him. I'm gonna go get some bullets.
Yo, he got a bomb.
No, I don't.
Hey Riley.
Hey, man.
Hey Riley.
Oh, your name is Riley?
Bro, can I?
Ah! I don't even have red watch, bro.
Yes, you do. Stop
Oh,
the
wait.
gap.
They have Hulk gloves, bro. That does no damage. Hulk gloves don't do damage.
Bro, what is bro meaning? They do.
They do, but
No,
it's
they
like
don't.
nothing. It's literally like
It's just
getting hit by
knockback. It's
fire
just knockback.
Wait, what other games do you guys play?
I don't know. What do we play, Riley? Where'd he
Oh,
go?
Riley left, so that means you can leave too. Bye.
Yeah,
See
true.
ya.
No.
Thank you.
Oh.
See ya.
Bedroom tickle time? Have you ever played that?
If you know,
I
leave.
feel
I'm
like you
gonna
guys
tickle your
have.
toes at 3 a.m.
Okay,
Yo.
so, well, now we think we're fine.
Oh, look,
Leo,
it's
Leo, buy
him.
me
He's
some
back.
bullets.
Any
Leo,
bullets?
buy me some bullets.
Crazy
bet.
Dave Plants with zombies
Wait.
over here.
I thought you had bullets.
I do.
Riley?
Just buy me some.
I can't join app.
Yes, you did.
Oh.
Bro just said, bro just said he couldn't talk to app, but he can't.
Yeah, I had a glitch, bro. Shut up.
Me too.
Come on now.
Bro, come on.
Bro, the red
You're like,
gorilla
come
sounds
on
like
now.
he makes cringiest TikTok videos.
True. Plus,
Yeah.
he
I
should
do
he
that
should
daily.
have TikTok.
I can tell you get bullied at school.
True.
Yup, I get bullied at school.
Oh,
Cut my
yeah.
life into pieces.
yeah, I can't believe he.
Wait, is yellow a girl or a boy?
Bro,
Can't tell.
Yo.
I'm not
I
even-
can't tell.
It
bro
sounds
thinks
like,
bro thinks I'm a girl.
Like, that is an offense to
Would you
you.
wanna-
I
They
hate to
want to
break
play a
it to
different
you.
game now?
We want to play
Yeah.
now.
Here,
I
go
don't
to
really
call,
care
go
if
to
they
call.
Wait,
Yeah,
Dylan, you're
but-
trying to play Sarah?
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, first, hold on, let me say something. No. Bye bye, loser. Oh, come on. Yeah, but now it feels better. I said a little bit better. Well, I don't feel better now. I do. Alright. Oh my god, I'm joining. Golden Freddy VR 617. Nope. The VR's capital. The Jindal. Yeah. Sigma boys. 617.
It is.
Oh, I forgot I'm still recording. Yo, I'm gonna end the video, guys. I'll see you later.